Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in Tears of the Kingdom, updated. Begin by gathering apples, a cooking pot, and a heat source at any campfire near settlements. Prepare sugar and cooking fats like butter or oil to boost flavor and create caramelization. Aim for medium heat to avoid burning and stir regularly. Finish by cooling slightly before serving. This preserves texture and flavor for a satisfying in-game treat. Gather 3 apples, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of butter or oil for the best results in Tears of the Kingdom. Chop apples into even pieces so they cook uniformly and release juices. Use medium heat and a cooking pot over a fire, stirring until soft and slightly caramelized. Let the mixture cool briefly so it sets, then serve to restore health and stamina. Set up a campfire, place a cooking pot, and use medium heat to prevent burning while softening apples. Cover the pot to trap steam and help apples cook through evenly, stirring every 30 seconds to avoid sticking. Once apples are tender and slightly caramelized, remove the pot and let the filling rest briefly to thicken. Serve the pie to restore health and enjoy the warm, sweet reward of your in-game cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.